Hi, I'm Henrik Mortensson. Welcome to the Agile Business series of videocasts. And this time I'll talk about how the medieval society Primus Vicus, with a bit of assistance from me, built a practical, executable plan to save their future. Now first, let's briefly recap the previous episodes about Primus Vicus. We began by engaging the society in a brainstorming session about goals, obstacles to reaching the goals and how to overcome them. We constructed a map showing what the society must achieve to reach its goal. As you may recall from the previous episodes, this was a project with a very limited budget, and that meant very little time to produce something useful. And that created a problem. Using the full thinking process might take just a little bit more time than we had available. An alternative would be to create a Scrum-style product backlog, faster but a little bit riskier. Luckily, the problems Primus Vicus faced were fairly simple, a great challenge to implement, but not very complex or difficult to understand. And therefore, I chose to use a Scrum product backlog as a shortcut. During the Crawford Slip session, we asked how Primus Vicus can overcome the obstacles we had identified. Using the answers, we put together the backlog, a simple, prioritized list. The idea is to start working off the top of the list and work your way down until you reach the end. It's simple as that. I used FreeMind, a mind mapping program, to create the backlog. FreeMind lets me reorder items easily. As you can see, I also broke down major work packages into smaller tasks. This was just a matter of organizing and structuring material produced during the Crawford Slip session. There were some good ideas that did not fit the plan, and these were put in an idea bank for future use. When you work with a product backlog, there is no task assignment. Instead, people choose which tasks to work on and take responsibility for completing them. It's a simple, self-organizing and very powerful way of doing projects. The same basic idea is used in agile software development. And the beauty of it is that when people take responsibility for doing things because they want to, they will do their utmost. They can achieve miracles and have fun while doing it. Crawford Slip brainstorming and the logical thinking process are fully described in my business strategy book, Tempo. Tempo is available in Swedish right now, and the book is being translated into English. The English version will be published in 2010. The feedback on the Swedish version has been very positive, and I do hope you will enjoy the English version and find it useful. If you send me an email, I'll put you on the mailing list for the newsletter that supports Tempo. The newsletter is in English, and that will give you something to read while you wait for the English edition of the book, and I'll mail you when the book is published. Be seeing you.